Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is a different kind of video because I didn't really do anything. But this morning I got woken up by an earthquake, which was the first time in my life that I felt an earthquake, and I didn't even realize what it was. I was just laying in bed and I was awake because the alarm of my roommate was on and she went to the bathroom, and then suddenly my bed was shaking. And I thought my roommate is sitting on her bed with her feet on my bed and just moving them. So I looked up and I saw she's still in the bathroom, and I laid back down and I was still shaking, and I looked back up because I was tired, so I thought like maybe I didn't see right, and she wasn't there. And then the other three roommates, or actually just two from the other room, came running over here. No, actually my own roommate, she was putting on her makeup and she's like, is it shaking because I cannot put it on right? And then I was like, yeah, the bed is moving. And it was the first time for me, and it was kind of like every day here in Chile there's so many earthquakes, but this one was the first one which I felt. It was 6.2 magnitude, but it was kind of far from here, so we just felt a little movement, but not like the real earthquake. So, but it was something new. It was good to know, good, because I didn't know how something like this feels, and it was shaking and I don't know, so it was a really cool experience for me, and I guess I will be having like more experiences like this. And yeah, maybe one day I will get some on camera to show you how it is like, but I don't know. Yeah, otherwise I just went to the university. Yeah, like the Chilean people, they just kept going with their daily life. Okay, here in Santiago nothing happened, so it's okay, but I just went to the university and no one even talked about it, so for me it was something new. And it was kind of surprising, but for them it's something typical. It happens like all the time, so yeah. Otherwise, nothing new. Yesterday I went to get some pizza with my roommate. I'm going to add the clip right now.
Hola chicos, ¿qué tal?
Bien.
¿Cómo? ¿Sí? ¿Bien? ¿Todo bien? Todo excelente. Vamos a comer pizza. Qué chico, qué chico, qué chico, qué chico.
Ay, no.
¿Cómo te sientes, Tina?
Me siento cansada. ¿Y
¿Sí?
tú?
También, con sueño, con hambre.
Con hambre.
Con hambre.
Eso sí.
Ay. ¿Qué vamos a comer, Tina?
Pizza.
¿En serio?
Sí.
¿Con qué?
Con pepperoni, pimiento, tomate y extra queso, y también con carne, salchicha, arroz de cebolla y extra queso.
¡Qué rico! Chico, 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 chico. Un manjar.
Es que no sé si lo tenías así o así.
No lo tenía, no me acuerdo a qué lado lo tenía. ¿Cómo dice? Mi perfil bueno.
¿Lo de atrás o qué?
Ay. Hola chicos de YouTube, ¿cómo están? Me creo youtuber ahora, ¿cachai?
Vas a ser famosa.
Voy a ser famosa.
Saluda a tu familia.
Hola.
Eso es todo.
Es que hablo con ellos casi todos los días igual, entonces te voy a decir, ¿saben qué? Voy a salir en el video de la Tina, véanlo. Igual los ven todos, así que hola. Les mando saludos desde una pizzería. Sé que está mal, pero hoy día trabajé duro, trabajé harto, sudé bastante y es mi premio. Es el premio que yo me estoy dando por haber trabajado tan duro hoy día. Eso, gracias.
And otherwise, yeah, today I just went to the university, I had classes. Tomorrow I start super late and I might go out in the morning to take some videos of the nature and of Santiago to show you, but I'm not really sure yet. Yeah, well, that's it for today, I would say. Bye bye.